Alright guys, this is the Vortex RC car that I ordered from Amazon, India, and it cost me around 8,000 Indian rupees. And from the looks of it and from what I saw in the description, it is a 4-wheel drive system, and it goes up to 50 kilometers per hour. We'll have to see about that. It's suited for children of the age 14 and above. This is a 1/18 scale, ready to run version. So all you need is some batteries for your remote and charge the battery of the car, and you can just take it for a spin. So this one here is the buggy version, I believe, and I think it's got oil-filled shock absorbers. I'm not really sure about that because I did not read that anywhere in the description, but I did read some reviews and apparently this one does have oil-filled shocks. So if that's the case, this would really be a good deal. So yeah, let's open the box. The packaging looks really nice, and the seller also had sent it in a very big box. So kudos to the seller. Let's open this and see what's inside. This is my first time opening this too, so I'm not really sure what would come inside or what would be missing. But I believe there would be a remote controller, there would be a charger and a battery for the car. And we will need to supply, I think, some 3 to 4 AAA batteries for the transmitter. Okay, yeah guys, that's the RC car. Looks alright, doesn't it? Looks pretty nice. Okay, that is the canopy. So rubber tires, and I believe this must be, yeah, there'll be a, I need to get my scissors for that. So that takes care of it. How do you get this off? Okay. Some more. Okay. That would probably loosen it. Okay. So that is the RC car. Okay, so it's a steering servo, I can tell. Nah, these are not oil-filled shocks, these are just normal springs. Steering alignment seems a bit off. Probably. It's got a differential. Okay, 4-wheel drive system. What else do we have here? Canopy seems pretty flimsy, in my opinion. Let's just try and take it off and see what's inside. Okay, canopy's off. Alright, it does come with now this is, I believe, this is a 7.4 volt 1100 mAh. It's a LiPo. Yes, it's a LiPo battery. So I think we can stick a bigger one inside. I believe there should be space. Got to figure that out. What else does it have? Okay, that's the steering servo. Yeah, it is the steering servo. That's the brushed motor. and there's an on off switch inside. Okay, this is the on off switch. I think I might have to fix the alignment of this wheel. It's a bit off, I believe. It's definitely needs some fixing. It looks okay otherwise. So let's just install the battery and see what happens. Yeah, I think that's how it will go. Okay, this seems right. Yeah, there's a loop over here for the Velcro. And yeah, voila, we have the battery secured. So hopefully this won't send it flying inside. So it's tight. Okay, looks alright. How it is. It's okay. So yeah, that's for the battery. That's the antenna. Oh, the antenna is here. Let's see what else is there in the box. Okay, that is the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, and we have an instruction manual inside. And yes, a battery charger. It's a USB charger, and there's also a, yeah, this is the wrench to open the bolts or something. And that's about what is there inside the box. Let's have a quick look at the transmitter. We might need extra AAA batteries for this. Okay, it is fairly big, I must say. And yeah, it does have nice feel. Oh, but then okay, there are these trim buttons, so you can steering trim and throttle trim, so you can adjust the speed. Steering wheel feels nice, the steering wheel, and I think it is a digital proportional. Yeah, it's a proportional system, so that's good. Yeah, that's where the batteries goes. Battery is going, yeah, says made in China. That's no surprise. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4 1.5 volt AA batteries, not AAA. Okay, that is, let me see if I have some. So that is something you'll have to take care of yourself. Alright guys, so as you can see, the canopy is fit pretty snug, and batteries inside. I did manage to fix the steering trim. This is the steering trim. If it's going left or right, you can adjust it so it will go straight. And the throttle trim. So if it's going too fast, you can just adjust the sensitivity of the throttle. And yeah, so all is left is, so the car does run. One thing I forgot to mention was the charger that comes with it is a USB charger, and this will be very slow in charging the actual battery which is inside the car. I would recommend get a balanced charger. You might find it on Amazon only. I'll definitely leave a link for that in case I find it, but that is highly recommended because that would be a fast charger, and you can also go for an additional battery. So that would make sure that you can run this car for a longer period of time and enjoy it even more. It is pretty quick. I'm not sure about the 50 kilometers per hour speed, but this might definitely touch around 25 kilometers to 30 easily, looking at how it's going. And it's actually an outdoor RC car. It's not made for indoors. This is pretty quick. It's pretty fun to drive too. I might show you a clip just inside my house. Okay, let's just give it a bounce. Yeah, those are not oil shocks. It wouldn't bounce this way. It would just like come and bounce, go down, and just come back slowly. And yeah, it's got some metal axles. The suspension assembly is all plastic. This is metal. Most of it is plastic, as you would expect. It does seem it's alright. It's not really shabby. It's okay. I've seen worse. This is definitely better. That's how the steering turns. It's pretty smooth. It's not at all jerky. It's a servo controlled steering. So that's definitely a plus point. So this is how the car performs. Let's give it a try. As you can see, it's pretty agile and really handles well. Quite impressed with it, to be honest, and I never expected it to handle it so nicely. Yes, the suspension is a bit bumpy as it's not oil-filled shock absorbers. Definitely doesn't have those, and you can see it bounce over the bumps the way it does. Well, apart from that, it is really peppy and fun to drive. That's how slow it can go. Alright guys, hope you liked this unboxing video. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe on my channel and leave a comment. Do let me know what you think about this RC car, and if you want to see more such reviews from me, I'd be happy to do it. This is my first ever review on the channel, to be honest, and yeah, that's about it. Have a nice rest of the year and be safe. Take care.